In the year 2019, NASA launched the InSight Mars mission with a peculiar goal: to record the enigmatic sounds of the red planet. As the lander touched down, it unfolded a groundbreaking experiment involving a highly sensitive seismometer to detect seismic and acoustic activities. The world held its breath when NASA released the recordings, capturing the eerie, otherworldly hums and vibrations of the Martian environment. Scientists were baffled as the data suggested not only quakes, but unusual low-frequency sounds sweeping through the planet's thin atmosphere. These strange acoustics left researchers pondering a profound question. Could these mysterious sounds reveal secret clues about Mars's geological history, or hint at unknown phenomena waiting to be discovered?